Hey guys, this is Miss Valley here. In case you missed our live Google Meet, for whatever reason, I want to explain to you what you would need to catch up on today so that you're ready for tomorrow. So both Cohort 1 and Cohort 2 today on Monday, September 14th, you're going to be, well, you would have logged in at the beginning of class. Try to do that if you missed it this time. We're talking about a few items, but we did start off with a little community building. So if you are accessing this late, you missed that. So, but some really important things that you do need to catch up on. You do need to access our Google Classroom page. Click on the topic labeled syllabus. Access the material in that topic, also labeled syllabus. We reviewed the items on that document together, just making sure that we are crystal clear on processes, procedures. There are so many things that are really impacting what our class looks like. And so we really need to do things a whole lot differently than we ever have before. Okay, so make sure that after you review those items really well, if you do have questions, do feel free to email me. I will be able to answer your questions in a timely manner. You could also access my classroom hours, which are on Fridays from 10 to 11. Fridays are flex days for the most part. And if you just click this link down here, you can access me live if you want to connect about anything regarding the syllabus, grading, etc. We can chat about it then face to face too. So we're kind of easing into things. We are going to just take advantage of this distance learning and really review our stuff and get used to this new model of learning, because you know what? We are all doing things way differently than what we're used to, so I think it'll take some time, right? So we're in this together. I got you. I hope you have an awesome day. Remember, review that syllabus. Any questions you have, I want you to let me know, whether it's through connecting with me in my office hours on Fridays or shooting me an email, and I'll get to you as soon as I can. Have an awesome day.